Hey, powder porn fans! It's another very quick video because my battery's about dead. I had the pleasure of restoring some 1956 original steel, hefty steel Cadillac valve covers, and they were really pitted. I'll be straight up with you. Seen many, many better days. But between body work and picking the right powders, it is very minimized. They were challenging, I will tell you straight up. Not a lot of room to work with on these. And they about got thrown across the shop a couple times, to be honest. But that's all right. That's why I love my job. Eventually, I get there. Anyway, for a guy in New York with a Cadillac, and he is very excited to see them and get them back and get them on the engine he just got running. So they've got to go out the door pretty quickly. And they really aren't two different colors. It's just the way I've got them propped up. So, shop's anniversary is coming up on May 31st. And I am going to have a 15% off labor discount. So get your stuff here before June 30th and take advantage of the special sale and help me celebrate my anniversary. Because I wouldn't be here doing this without you. Mwah. Love y'all. Get in touch. CudaChick Powder on Facebook. Website, phoenixspecialtycoatings.com, or just call me after 10 Central Time. 731-613-9192. Love y'all. Appreciate your support.